Back to show you the finished product of the basic vinaigrette that we showed you. Now again, we used a ratio of 3 to 1. 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. If you wanted a little more tangy, you could use 2 parts vinegar and 3 parts of oil, if you choose. Or you could do 2 parts of oil and 1 part vinegar. I mean, so just mess around with it and see whatever, you know, whatever your palate says is good. In this case, though, we used a 3 to 1, and I used some white wine vinegar, and it's got this nice yellow opaque color because I used extra virgin olive oil. Now, other recipes may call for just a flavorless oil, such as canola, or an oil such as that. And again, that just depends on personal preference. I like the rich flavor of extra virgin olive oil, and I think it brings out a really nice flavor in the white wine vinegar as well. Again, we used a small dab of Dijon mustard. It just created an emulsification and drizzled in that oil. And that was the last ingredient, and that's the finished product. So this can actually be drizzled on at the very end of a warm fish or a warm shrimp entree even. And obviously it's real nice for salads, and you can toss the salads in there as well. And when you store it in the refrigerator, it's probably going to separate after a longer period of time, and all that's needed at that point is a whisking job inside a mixing bowl before it's served with any of the food.